Alright, so in today's video, I'm playing Silent Assassin, even though I haven't in like 2 years.
Pull up out the Honda, I'm watching. I don't care if you call me a stalker. 3 a.m. I'm outside, I'm walking. Out here striving, I'm just looking for some water.
Okay, so we're playing fucking free-for-all. It's where you murder everybody, every man for themselves, I guess. The game is, I can't tell if it's everyone else's internet or mine, but it's really laggy. Oh my god, I just got killed. I'm gonna end my life. Oh my god. Oh, my literal Jesus Christ. I am going to murder somebody's mother. So, 10 seconds into the game, and I'm already fucking mad. Oh, my literal god. I am not happy. Alrighty, so I joined a new server because I suck at this game. So many bot. Okay. Map will be a free-for-all with, okay, good. Gun, good. I have committed several murders in the past with guns. Alright, I just killed a man. Oh, fuck. I died. Okay, there we go. Reminds me in Doom, the 2016-2015 version how has unlimited ammo on the first gun, but all the other guns have limited ammo. Oh shit. I'm tied for first place, which means I didn't win a participation prize for once in my fucking life. Might make a second channel, by the way, where I just post really weird stuff that half of the time isn't even related to Roblox. I'll do like challenges every year, every 10 years actually. Then I'll do very weird videos. Alright, I am a guard of the green bean man, the green Teletubby I am guarding, the booger I am guarding, Jackie. You can tell that avatar isn't ironic. They probably thought, man, I'm the next Gucci. I'm just roasting kids in Roblox for no reason, because I'm mad today. We have to go protect the green booger man. Where's the ugly foundation lady? I have to kill her, thankfully. She probably doesn't even want to live either, so. King, whatever, is the target. You are a guard. Okay, we have to kill this stupid piece of shit. Okay. We're gonna go kill whatever this thing is. Roblox. We're gonna have to kill Roblox. This motherfucker was AFK last round. No, a couple games ago, so I can just kill him willy-nilly. So now I have to go guard this monstrosity. I don't know. Looks like we should be killing them instead. Fuck, I just got killed. Oh, yeah. Okay, I just got killed. I'm going to end my life in real life. I'm actually really tired right now because I was up I was up all night too, so. I didn't sleep till like 4 in the morning because I'm tired. Yeah, I don't even know why I'm recording right now. I have to do stupid schoolwork later. Say goodbye. Goodbye. People are just shooting. They have paranoia. Fuck! I just yelled that really loud. We failed so bad. We indeed did. Ghost busters. Kids, you wanna eat your green beans? You wanna eat your green beans, kid? Wanna eat your green beans? Green beans. I did the most damage, yet I still died. Wow. Party, everyone dance. Thank you, Cobra, the awesome. Let's dance too. Dance. Wow. Party pooper, Hunter the Boss, 2010. Don't worry, don't let him get on your nerves. He was born in 2010 anyways. Okay. Need to go watch out for coronavirus in this game. Yeah, infected is the infected game mode is actually based off of coronavirus. Hide here. Think they can't see your thing. I'm hiding right here because I know something's gonna happen with all of them. There's 7 survivors. I don't know who died. Whoever did, rest in peace. I hope anyone who gets infected in this game does recover from coronavirus in a 14-day quarantine. The infected know where you are. Oh, crap. They do? I'm paranoid now, G. Oh. They just gunned that man down. Holy crap. They just gunned him down. I'm not going to be bossed around by someone who... Oh, crap. Oh, I'm not going to be bossed around by someone who was born in 2010. That was a very close call. If I didn't dodge that, I would have been dead and died. There's a little noob idiot trying to get into the vent over there. We're just going to ignore that. Okay. I survived 230. If you're Mondao, you're... Mondao survived 1 second into November. Sugar Warrior wants to send me a friend request. Eat shit. Alyssa is the target. We're supposed to kill this man. It's probably vengeance for not protecting him last round. Stake together. This guy is the wisest one on our team. The assassin has been prevented from harming the target. Okay. Shout out to Jackie for getting the final shot. Kaluka is the Oh, okay. I'm the general. No, you aren't. Oh, crap. I think they see me. There's this girl, AFK. I'ma kill her real quick. Shoot on sight. Shoot your mom on sight. Where do I escape? I'm getting like 63 bullets flowing. Okay, I'm done. Bye, little sluts. Okay.